Specializes in manufacturing various corrugated carton making machines, top printing or bottom printing Flexo printer, slaughter die cutter folder, gluer stitcher, count ejector, automatic folder, gluer stitcher, pre-feeder, etc. Giant carton making machine with intelligent, stable performance and high-speed design concept. Machine can meet different kinds of carton box printing, slotting die cutting, folding, gluing, stitching, strapping. Pre-feeder machine and strapping machine can connect to the machine, which makes production more efficient. Machine can be intelligently activated with one button and automatically change order. Visual operation. Easily and safely control the machine via touchscreen. Feeder unit. High precision, lead edge feeding system and multifaceted alignment system ensure accurate cardboard feeding. Combination vacuum and brush dust removal. Ensure the printing surface is clean and tidy. Printer unit. Vacuum transfer system ensures printing register more accurate and avoid the printing precision error caused by the displacement of the cardboard during cardboard conveying. Analogs roller automatic control. Motorized phase and traverse adjustment. Pull roll and impress roll motorized control. Slaughter unit. Angle cutting blade equipped with coil spring structure. Ensure the all scrap cut down and drop cleanly. Slotting blade is made in Korea with special design that can adjust after wearing. Dual slot system. Automatic order changing on touchscreen. Cutting wheel automatic adjustment to match different carton height and slot depth. Cutting wheel equipped with sponge coil and pre-creasing function. Move cardboard with friction. Effectively prevent skew and protect cardboard surface no damage. Slot depth automatic adjustment. Lower slot panel nip notarized adjustment. Lower creaser nip motorized adjustment. Die cutter unit. Computerized automatic control and motorized control. Die cutting, roller radial, left and right adjustment. Mold screw hole equipped with Germany tube screw, which can protect the die cutting roller, no thread loosing, while replacing mold. Gluer unit. Double stacking design. Equipped flap and baffle plate to avoid scissor mouth when the glue is not dry. The double stacking design also extending the carton stacking and glue bonding time. Ensure carton firmer bonding. Automatic adjust parameter by one button. Stable and fast folding carton. Twice flapping, prevent scissor mouth and prefect the shape of the carton. Stacking unit. Twice flapping and stacking method effectively buffer the carton production speed, so the production speed for the 3-layer carton and 5-layer carton is completely the same. The rear production can be equipped with inline automatic strapper, saving labor and improving production efficiency.